Enjoy these delicious, cozy winter drinks. They smell amazing.
Cheers!
Cheers!
Hello, I'm Jamie.
And I'm Joanne.
We are both registered dietitians here at ATA Augusta Military Medical Center in the Nutrition Clinic.
Welcome to our cancer prevention cooking series. We have been highlighting preventing colorectal cancer. The American Cancer Society recommends a plant-based diet for cancer prevention.
Today, we're going to make quick and easy holiday beverages. Oftentimes, holiday beverages are high in added sugar. And we know diets that are high in sugar can lead to health issues such as diabetes and excessive weight gain, all of which could put you at a greater risk for cancer.
Our first recipe is a golden milk latte. This is going to be like a warm, cozy hug on a cold day. We're going to start with 1 cup of plant milk. Today we're using soy milk, which does have a little bit more protein. You can also use almond milk or coconut milk, whichever you prefer. Then I'm going to put in a dash of vanilla extract, a 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric. This is what is going to give it the golden color. Also, spices like turmeric have anti-inflammatory properties that are being studied for preventing cancer. We're also going to put a 1/4 teaspoon of ginger and a 1/4 teaspoon of cinnamon, which also have properties that may prevent cell damage as well. Now for a little bit of sweetness, we're going to put in 1 teaspoon of maple syrup, which is going to have a lot less added sugar than your typical holiday drinks. And lastly, I'm going to put just a little pinch of pepper. The pepper helps to activate the anti-inflammatory properties of the turmeric. And then I'm just going to whisk this together, and we're just going to heat this until it's warm. But you can see we're getting this beautiful color. Also, these spices smell amazing. This is going to be a wonderful drink when you come in from the cold. All right, and then once that's warm, you can serve it. Just pour it into your mug. That looks beautiful, and it smells amazing.
If you like peppermint and chocolate, I have a treat for you. We're going to make a peppermint hot chocolate today. So we're going to start with our 1 cup of unsweetened soy milk. You can use any plant-based dairy of your choice, such as like an unsweetened almond milk if you want. So 1 cup of that. Then next is our 2 tablespoons of unsweetened cocoa powder. Cocoa powder has flavonoid compounds in it that have been studied not just as an antioxidant, but also for its other health benefits, such as reducing inflammation. All right, I'm just going to get that incorporated in there. And where are we going to get the sweet from? We're going to add in 1 teaspoon of maple syrup. Again, a lot less sugar than you would get in a traditional beverage like this. Next is 1 teaspoon of peppermint. Here's your mint. That smells so good. It smells like a yummy candy cane. And Lastly, here we also have our vanilla extract. All right. So you're just going to whisk this until it's incorporated, and you want to get it to a little of a steaming point here, just to get it nice and warmed through. And again, if you're a fan of any peppermint and chocolate candies out there, this is going to definitely be right up your alley. This is deep and dark, just as I promised in the title of this recipe. Stir that together, as you can see. All right. And then when it's heated through, you're going to serve it up. Come on. That looks so good. It's luscious. It's creamy. Yep. Peppermint chocolate. Enjoy! Thank you for joining us today for our quick and easy holiday beverages. The Nutrition Clinic is located in Oaks Pavilion on the first floor.
Enjoy these delicious, cozy winter drinks. They smell amazing.
Cheers!
Cheers.